Namaste. My name is Pallavi Verma. I'm 39. I'm a theatre practitioner. I stay in Hyderabad, India with my husband, my little 5-year-old, an electronics, physics and math graduate. I went on to study management and econometrics in the corporates for some time, for a few years. But I am also a master's in Kathak dance. Somewhere during my stint with the corporates, I realized that if I do not give performance a chance, I would be missing so much in life. So I started working with a certain group as a choreographer, moved on to acting, worked with quite a good number of groups in Hyderabad, banner of my own called Kriti Stories. The word Kriti in Sanskrit means creation. The process of creation is something that excites me a lot, and here I am, very happy with what I do. See you later. Hi again. So now, as you know, that I am a parent to one child, and I must say that parenting has really changed me. That is why this project, thanks to Theatre YOLO, the Hyderabad Children's Festival, Vaishali Bisht especially, has come as a blessing, because this gives me an opportunity to create something for children. And as they say that when you're playing with a child, you have to become a child. My latest experience with my daughter of becoming a child has been amazing, and I'm really looking forward to creating something for children this time, for an elder age group than my daughter, but all the same. Thank you. See you later. Hi. Before I wrap this video diary, I would like to share with you some fun facts that I've shortlisted. My husband Sandeep is gonna help me answer these questions.
Hi. What drives you at work?
I believe that anything that's worth doing is worth doing well. That's what drives me at work.
Your favorite people?
My favorite people are my parents. And you?
If you weren't a theatre practitioner?
An architect. Because architecture involves a classic meeting of science and art and a beautiful, mysterious spice. It's exciting.
What's one hobby that you will pursue next?
I would like to pursue carpentry next. I would like to make things with wood. I would like to explore that.
If you change your career again?
Be a farmer.
If you lived all over again?
I might do a few things differently, but I will still definitely end up being a performance maker or a performer, or both.
3 things you planned the night before?
Breakfast menu, my daughter's homeschooling topics, and my outfit.
Languages that you can speak?
English, Hindi and Urdu. I really want to learn Spanish because I love flamenco.
Are you organized?
I'm not as organized as I'd like to be. I constantly strive towards it.
Are you white?
No, I'm not white. I am 100% who loves brown skin. Lucky for him. Thank you for listening to me. Bye-bye.